ask me this question, this is something I used to say every day. I tell people every day. Bros, all over the world, they do talk about, they make comparison. They assess things and tell you the best. You understand? They assess things and tell you the best. Like, they will tell you the most beautiful woman, the most handsome man, the tallest man, the fastest plane, the biggest ship. You understand? They will tell you the most intelligent tribe. Are you getting what I'm saying? Among tribes, among blacks, they will still tell you the most intelligent blacks on earth. Igbos. Why did they say Igbos are very brilliant, very intelligent? It's based on some things they have seen. Igbos are the people who travel widely more than any other tribe among the black race. Igbos travel much more than any other person. And remember what is called education. Education is to learn what you have not learned before. Learning of a new